This and last week, most of them are children. So yeah, a lot of children, a lot of civilian casualties we see here. Most of them, they're during the flight out of Mosul, they were injured, or some of them even coming back to the house that should be safe, and there was still an explosive in the house. But most of them are fleeing, and on their way out, they get injured.
So most of our patients are blast patients and gunshots, but the high number of the patients is due to blast injuries.
It's not only the wounds, there's also a lot of psychological problems here. Everybody comes here with a story, of course, especially the children. They want to talk a lot about it and want to know if the parents are still there, or the father or the mother or brothers. So it's a lot of things around the normal work as, for my case, a physiotherapist.
When you talk to the children, they always cry that, okay, I want to go to my father, I want to go home. Okay, the mother says, now there's no home, but we have to be strong because we have to attend to them and give them courage, encourage them. Like, when they are here, let them feel at home. Like, it's just like another home for them, not like they are patients, but they are part of us.